This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia store. Today we've got a 2026 Peterbilt 579 Epic, 80-inch ultra loft, double bunk, chrome steel bumper, stainless visor, chrome hood bezels, chrome mirror covers, 13 2-steer axle. Just riding around on some low pro 22.5s, 244-inch wheelbase, 40,000 pound rear suspension, Peterbilt low air leaf. It's got some 336 gears. See what we got under the hood. A little bit different story than you're used to on a 579. This one has the 565 horsepower Cummins with 1850 torque. It is carb compliant. And behind that, it has an 18-speed manual transmission. Leather seats, satellite radio, multi-function steering wheel, a few extra gauges in the dash. It's pre-wired for your CB radio. Double bunk. Has the provisions for a refrigerator, but it does not have one in it. Storage cabinet. There's your top bunk. Some more storage. Also has an 1800 watt power inverter with shore power. She's loaded up and ready to go. We have another truck exactly like this one, with the exception it has an 18-speed automated transmission in it. Other than that, it's identical. So if this truck will work for you, give me a call. 706-372-4698.